What kind of thinking that, Mr. Chair?
It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog niyan is ganun ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganun ako gagago.
Ang reported lamang po na namatay is reported na namatay ay